We are given the question to write the chemical reaction involved in the process of extraction of gold and to explain the role of dilute NaCN and Zn in this process. The chemical reaction involved in the extraction of gold is 4Au solid plus 8CN aqueous plus 2H2O aqueous plus O2 gas gives 4AuCN2 aqueous plus 4OH aqueous. The second equation is 2AuCN2 aqueous plus Zn solid gives 2Au solid, that is gold, plus ZnCN4 2 minus aqueous. So this is basically a displacement reaction which is occurring here. NaCN leaches gold. NaCN acts as a leaching agent or complexing agent. Zn acts as a reducing agent and Zn displaces gold.